Okay, so this is problem 13.3b. We still have this. This is a response to a student question. We still have the same issue for problem 13.3. And the question stem tells us that this first column is the function. And this is the operator, which I'm going to do O caret. Okay, so remember we did O caret of f of x. If we get f of x plus out times some constant, which I'm going to say, let's call it c, then this is the eigenvalue. And this is an eigenfunction. How do you spell eigenfunction? If I spell that sloppy enough, maybe you can't tell I misspelled it. Okay? So this, if we have an operator that operates on a function, if, and again I started that with if, right? Operator operates on a function. If we can factor back out f of x, then we have an eigenvalue, and that turns out to be an eigenfunction. Okay? So this one's a little bit more complicated than the last one. I'm gonna try to organize this in such a fashion as I can keep it neat. First thing I'm going to do, this operator's got two portions to it, and it's additive. So I'm going to do this first one first. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm sorry, the left one first, and just work my way across. So it looks like we're taking the third derivative of this thing up here times x cubed, the third derivative of whatever. Okay, so all right, let's go with the first derivative, dy. Right, I'm going to do this 3 times with respect to y. dy of x cubed plus y cubed is equal to that first term goes to 0 because it's not, there's no y in it, right? And the second one's going to be 3y squared. Okay, so dy, the second derivative is going to be 6y to the first. And the third derivative then is simply going to be 6. All right, not bad. So, and then I take that x cubed d cubed dy cubed, not cubed, it's the third derivative, okay, of that function x cubed plus y cubed is going to be, we have to operate on it first, so it's the same thing as x cubed times 6. Right, so it's going to be 6x cubed. All right, so that's that first term here. That's going to be 6x cubed. Let's keep that separate. Let's go and do the same. I think I can see where this is going with this one. So it looks like that. It's just going to operate just like that because, right, same thing's inside here. So it looks like the third derivative with respect to x of x cubed plus y cubed, that's going to be 6 again also for the same reasons we had before. And so y cubed times the third derivative with respect to x, y cubed times dx 3 times is going to be 6y cubed. Okay, so that's our second part of it, and this is additive, so it's going to be 6x cubed, the operator times the function, or the operator on the function is going to be 6x cubed plus 6y cubed. Looks like I can factor 6 out of that, 6x cubed plus y cubed. This then is going to be 6 times f of x. So it is an eigenfunction, right? So this, yes, eigenfunction, exclamation point. And this then is the eigenvalue. Beautiful. Okay? So just to sum this problem up, well, let's do it. It's really busy, but the third derivative with respect to y plus y cubed times the third derivative with respect to x. F of x is equal to the 6 f of x. Boom. Gorgeous.